talk about the future of manufacturing, the term lights out factory often comes up. But what exactly does it mean? We're in Tongling City, a key copper producing hub in East China's Anhui Province. Here, the traditional industry is getting a high-tech makeover. This is the lights out slag processing plant of Jinxing Copper Industry. Lights out doesn't necessarily mean turning off the lights. The key concept here is unmanned production. The plant plays a crucial role in the copper industry by recovering valuable metals from smelting slag, thereby helping to minimize material loss. Traditionally, each production line needed to have 8 to 10 workers on rotating shifts. Now, advanced smart systems automatically run everything from machinery control to data analysis. The lights could be turned off and production will still continue seamlessly.
整个扎血系统布置了6000多个监测点，几十台自动化设备，加上200多组远程监控，能随时把流量、力度、浓度、温度等关键数据传回中控。现已有超过95%的数据能自动采集，让整个扎血系统拥有了完整的数字化基础。智能化的投用，岗位工人从现场操作转到中控监控，工作环境大大改善，技能水平也明显提升。
你可以看一下，我们这个大厅看起来很炫酷，但是这个炫酷的背后是几千根甚至几万根线，将现场的数据传输到我们这里。这个把一个传统的复杂的生产线，变成了在这样一个工作环境当中，可以实现远程控制的智能生产线。
As digital innovations sweep the globe, powerful information technologies such as AI, big data, and the Internet of Things are finding deeper integration within China's vast manufacturing sector. Digital automated factories are supporting the ambitious green development goals of Chinese manufacturing. For Jinxing Copper Industry, the lights out plant is not just about enhancing production and efficiency. It's about pursuing a positive environmental future.
除了智能，绿色也是我们的关键词。一键制控的现代化工厂，不仅让生产效率提升了1.5倍以上，而且让每一吨铜材的生产能耗降低了10%。相比传统的渣运输，每年减少400余吨碳排放量。我们的系统生产用水90%使用回用水，生产主产品铜金矿，副产品作为建材生产材料，实现资源循环使用。
Digital systems, AI, and robots work around the clock at the factory, offering a glimpse into how technology and innovation are reshaping China's industrial landscape. Through smart, green, and innovative transformations, China's traditional manufacturing is becoming more sustainable.